Hey everybody, Earl here, MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. We're checking out an 87 Buick Grand National. This is going to be a quick video. I'll get more on in a couple days. Just want everybody to take a look what just came in. Real clean 87 Grand National with 58,000 miles on it. Just the way we like them. Paint's in real good shape. A couple flaws here and there, but nothing major. Great stance. I mean, total iconic for 87 and the 80s Grand National. I'll have over 100 photos online, mgmclassiccars.com. If you have any questions until it comes online fully, you can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, it's Earl at 773-600-0919, mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. Thanks for a quickie.